Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, how are you and welcome to this channel. Today I want to show you how to make these beautiful stitches which are applicable for all kind of crochet projects. And for your information, these stitches are the results of a great combinations of a double crochet and pop stitches which are sorted together using the multiplication of two. Have a look. These stitches look so gorgeous and so beautiful. Actually, these stitches are so easy to create and they are suitable for all crochet level including the beginners. Okay, now let's get started. To make the example of these stitches, I'm gonna use 1mm thread with the 2.50mm crochet hooks from Tulip. I'll start with a slip knot, then I will make 16 plus 1 chain. These stitches are made of the multiplication of 2, so if you want to make it larger, you need to add the multiplication of 2. Okay, this is one last chain. Then I will make one single crochet in the back bump loop. This is the back bump loop. This one is the last single crochet. This is the last back bump loop. Insert the hook here, then grab the working yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, after that I will start the main pattern. It starts with 3 chains or 3 turning ups. Then turn the work. Start with incomplete double crochet through this first stitch. Then skip 1 stitch and make pop stitches. I mean 1 pop stitch. This pop stitch is made of twice incomplete half double crochet. Then make a secure chain. This is the first pattern. Then make another one. Make an incomplete double crochet on the same stitch. Then skip 1 stitch. Then make pop stitch here. This pop stitch is made of twice half double crochet, twice incomplete half double crochet. There are 6 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all those 6 loops, then make 1 secure chains. Repeat again. Make an incomplete double crochet, then skip 1 stitch, make a pop stitch. This pop stitch is made of twice incomplete half double crochet. There are 6 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all those 6 loops, then make a secure chains. Repeat again. 1 incomplete double crochet, then skip 1 stitch, make 1 pop stitch. This pop stitch is made of twice incomplete half double crochet. Then we'll find a 6 loop on the hook, yarn over, pull through all those 6 loops, then make 1 secure chains. Repeat these actions. This is the last patterns for the first row. 1 incomplete double crochet, then skip 1 stitch and make a pop stitch. This pop stitch is made of twice incomplete half double crochet. Then yarn over, pull through all those 6 loops. After this last pattern, you don't need to make a secure chains, but you need to make 1 half double crochet like this. Okay, after that, make 1 chain and turn the work. Now make 1 single crochet in every stitch. This is the first single crochet. This one is the second single crochet. And this one is the third single crochet. Make 1 single crochet in every stitch. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet. Again, make 1 single crochet. Okay, 1 single crochet again. 1 single crochet in this stitch, 1 single crochet in this next one stitch. Single crochet again. 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 Okay, this one is the last single crochet. Alright, then okay, this is what they look like, and this one is 3 chains. Turn the work, the main pattern again. Start with incomplete double crochet and this first stitch, then skip 1 stitch and make a pop stitch. Okay, 6 loop on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 6 loop plus 1 secure chain. 1 incomplete double crochet, skip 1 stitch and make 1 pop stitch. This pop stitch is made of twice incomplete half double crochet, then make 1 secure chain. Repeat again. 1 incomplete double crochet, skip 1 stitch and make 1 pop stitch. 6 loop on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 6 loop, then make 1 secure chain. Repeat again. 1 incomplete double crochet, skip 1 stitch, then make 1 pop stitch. This pop stitch is made of twice incomplete half double crochet, then you will find 6 loop on the hook, yarn over, pull through all those 6 loops. After that, make 1 secure chain. Then repeat this pattern. Insert the hook in this loop to make an incomplete double crochet, then skip 1 stitch and make 1 pop stitch. This pop stitch is made of twice incomplete half double crochet, then make 1 secure chain. Repeat again. Okay, this one is the last pattern. You don't need to make a secure chain here, but you need to make 1 half double crochet on the last stitch. Okay, perfect. This is what the pattern looks like. Okay, now I'm gonna repeat again. Start with 1 chain, then turn the work. I will make the first single crochet in this first stitch. Okay, another single crochet in the next 1 stitch. 1 single crochet in the next 1 stitch. Make 1 single crochet in every stitch. Okay, see you on the 5th row. This is the 5th row. And this one is the last single crochet of the 5th row. Okay, done. This is the sample of these stitches. Well, have a look. Aren't they so gorgeous? Of course. Well, everyone, you can try this pattern. It's so beautiful and they are applicable for all kind of crochet project, just like blanket, or you can also use this pattern to make bag or something like that. Well, everyone, I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again on the next video. Have a good day and happy crochet.